Hi, welcome to the Notion Bar. My name is Frances Adara Matthews and I am a Notion template builder, coach and consultant. Today we are going to be walking through a quiz that I built on Notion to find out whether I am a Gen Z, a millennial or a zillennial. So a bit of a background here. I am 24, so I'm part of what is a big group of people who some of us like to call ourselves zillennials, who don't really feel like they are Gen Z and they don't really feel like they are a millennial. And so we've got this like weird in-between hybrid state where we kind of relate to both groups, and so we're not really accepted by either. There are so many quizzes out there which ask you, are you a Gen Z or are you a millennial? There was a massive generation war kind of going on in TikTok. And so I thought, what if I built a quiz in Notion? I really was not expecting it to be as popular as it is. I only released it a few days ago and I think it's already got over 70 downloads, which is wild. But anyways, today we're going to be walking through it. And this is actually the first time that I'm taking it. So I don't know what result I'm going to get. If you want to predict, place your comment down below before you watch the rest of the video. Otherwise, you are going to find out with me. So here we go. Right, so here we are in the quiz. You can download this using the link below. So the first thing you're going to do if you don't already have Notion is click on the duplicate button, which will be up here. Notion is free, don't you worry. Anyways, after you've done that, you are going to go through this quiz. And how it works is that you select each of these tags depending on which one you feel relates most to you. So anyways, let's kick this off. So jeans. I think I'm a big skinny jeans person, to be honest. I do love my mum jeans, but I will go for my skinny jeans most days, to be honest. So as you can see, I'm rocking a middle parting right now. I had a side part for a while, but it just didn't suit me. And I know a lot of Gen Z are like, oh my God, you're so millennial if you have a side part, but I didn't choose to have a middle part just because Gen Z said it was cool. I chose one because it just suits me better. But anyways, emoji hands. Okay, so this like pointing emoji, I know is super Gen Z. I never use that, but I use the raise hand emoji all the time. Social media, I am definitely an Instagram girl. I have TikTok and I have experimented with it, but it's a lot of work. You have to be like Steven Spielberg or something to do all of the effects and stuff. Like, it's fun, but Instagram is easy. But yeah, Queen of Pop, Beyonce, Billie Eilish. I feel like Billie Eilish is the Gen Z queen, but I am a Beyonce girl through and through. Do I remember dial-up? I absolutely do remember dial-up. I have 3 other siblings and it was such a headache trying to finesse that whole situation. Harry Potter. I know a lot of Gen Z say Harry Potter is such a millennial thing. I would say I think it's cool. I'm not obsessed with it though, but I would actually like to go to the Warner Brothers studios one day. Headwear, snapbacks or bucket hats. I wish I couldn't pick either because hats don't really work with this. But if I had to choose, I would say, I think bucket hats, some people, I think they look really cool. Slogans. Okay, so yeah, a lot of millennials do say it's lit and a lot of Gen Z do say it's the blank for me. I am gonna have to say, yeah, I'm gonna have to go with Gen Z on this one and say it's the, for me, because I do say that quite a bit. Problematic, which is another millennial phrase. I do say this quite a bit because I just feel like it sums up a lot of feelings. Pasta and pizza, another millennial thing. There are other food groups available for me, like I'm just not obsessed, to be honest. Air fryers, another millennial thing. I'm gonna pass on that. I don't own one. I'm not really bothered about getting one. My first phone, I think, was a flip phone, and I know a lot of Gen Z have only ever had smartphones, which is wild, but I definitely have had a flip phone. Do I have TikTok? I already said that yes I do, which puts me in the Gen Z camp. The woe is that thing. I think of it as more of an emotion rather than dance move, like, you know, the TikTok dance move that everyone does. And the laughing emoji, I use this all the time. I know a lot of Gen Z say that isn't cool, but anyways. Rose gold phase, I have definitely had one. I know a lot of people kind of in that, like, older, who are a bit older than me, remember when everything was rose gold, and I did like it. So I have had a rose gold phase. Adulting, I use this word all the time. To be honest, it's my catchphrase in Notion We Adult. So if you want merch with that catchphrase, let me know. But yeah, adulting is the whole point of this platform. So yes, I do use that word a lot. Selfies. I look at the camera, or do I look at the screen? I look at the camera. And have I ever bought a physical CD? Absolutely. Well, I don't know what I'm gonna get. I think I'm gonna be a millennial. Okay, right, let's open the results. I am a millennial. Okay, well, that makes sense. I have older siblings and I feel a little bit older than the average 24-year-old. I'm actually going to see what score I got, and then I will also show you how this works under the hood. So I'm going to show the total property here. A 13. I got 13 out of 20, so it means that I'm only slightly millennial. And I think it's actually representative of who I am. I do still relate to a lot of Gen Z trends, but I have lived through a lot of the experiences, like buying a physical CD and having a flip/brick phone. And if I was to show you how this all works, essentially there are properties for each of these columns here. Like if we look at the pasta and pizza question, all Gen Z answers have a value of 0, and all millennial properties have a value of 1, like that. And then they all get added to the total, and then based on that total, oh, see, the scores just changed because I changed my answer. Based on that total, giving you a quick sneak peek of the whole formula. It's just adding all the values together. I created a nested if statement. So if you get a score of 10, so 10 out of 20, you are a zillennial, so you are equal parts Gen Z, equal parts millennial. But if you get a score below 10, that means you're Gen Z, and if you get a score over 10, then you are millennial, which is the score that I got. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to download the template, you can either click on the link below, or you can check out my website, the Notion Bar. And if you click on templates, it will lead you to this page, and you can check out all of the other templates that I have as well. These are just the new ones that I've released, including the quiz, and it will take you to a landing page where you can download the template. And as I mentioned before, I am a coach and consultant. So if you are interested in any of my packages, you can contact me, and I've left some details on how to do that. If you want to book a coaching session with me directly, you can do that in my Calendly in this toggle, and you can take a look at my packages. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Really means a lot. And make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment what result you got. If you want to drop a link to your actual quiz as well, feel free to do that, but genuinely interested in what everyone's results are. Cool, well, enjoy, and I will see you around an ocean bar for another video. Bye.